Hey guys! Hindi na ako nakapag-update kahapon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Nung nag-barbecue kami. So anyway, this is the next day, which is the Sunday. Then Sunday night. And it's already 6:30. So andito na ako sa car park sa work. Waiting na lang ng start ng time. So maaga ako, half an hour early. And ayun, I thought I should catch up with you guys. So anyway, nothing much is happening. Let me put you guys here. It's just more. So hindi ako nakahawak sa camera all time. Yan. So anyway, I'm here and I'm working for the next 2 nights. I think mostly working this week, if I'm being honest. So I don't think you'll see me a lot doing a day in a life kind of thing, which is it's gonna be a day in a life because I'm working and I'm gonna be sleeping during the day. So day 1 or night 1 out of 2 night shifts. So we'll see how we get on. So tomorrow you'll see, I think this is gonna be another vlog. You'll see me as a nurse on this one, and you'll see me working. Not working inside the hospital, which is because it's not allowed to film inside. And yun, you'll see me before and after the shifts and see how we get on. Pa-start pa lang, pero parang so drained, don't have energy. It's so sad to leave Alba earlier kasi umiyak siya. Ayaw niya ako umalis, ayaw niya ako mag-work, which is every time it's hard to leave him. And I think any moms or any parent out there will understand na kapag iiwan mo yung anak mo, mag-work ka, nakakalungkot. That's the last thing you want to do is, alam mo yun, sana hindi na lang need mag-work and you can provide without working. But that's not the case and that's not the life. So anyway, I'm here, so we'll see how we get on with tonight. And tomorrow I will do the nursery run because David is working, so hindi ako agad pag uwi matutulog after ng night shift. Hindi. So which is gonna be fun. Kakapagod. Alam mo yung pag iniisip mo pa lang yung mga dapat mong gawin for the next days, next couple of days, next couple of nights is, alam mo yun, isip mo pa lang, ay, grabe, ang dami ng, alam mo yun, ang dami ng, you feel like ang dami, napapagod ka na kasi ang dami mo pang kailangan gawin. And nasa umpisa ka pa lang ng buhay, nasa start ka pa lang ng gabi. It's only 2 nights. I'm only on for 2 nights, guys. And the rest, and then 2 day shifts and 1 night shift. So it's kind of on and off. But anyway, I don't think this one is gonna be bad, but hopefully, I'm hoping it's not gonna be too bad because this is not my normal work. This is an overtime for me. So hindi ako nag-work normally dito sa ward na to. So I'm hoping this is easier than my ward. Wishful thinking, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna chill for a bit and before my night shift, and then I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year.
Hello guys, this is now Monday morning. Kauwi lang. I do have a lot of energy and I've got a positive mind na, it's only 2 nights. I can do 2 nights. I won't be too tired, but guess what? It's too tiring. I feel like I'm so tired. I think because of the night shift, not even with the work. So I need to take Alba to nursery. I need to do nursery run today. And basically, yes, nurse and a mom at the same time. So I'm gonna have a quick shower Excuse the haggard face, guys. Kayo na lang mag-adjust.
Mama.
So anyway, I'll quick shower and then
Mama.
I'll catch up with you guys. Hello, ready na guys. We are ready for going to nursery. So, medyo nag-ayos lang ako ng konti. Or else, putting our shoes on, guys. I'm a wee bit hungry, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat when I come home. Hindi ko magtitinapa na lang ako kasi yun lang ang meron. And, yes, I think tinapa. Bagoong. So anyway, you need to, Papa, you need to. You can open it later after we talk to the guys. So anyway, we're here. We're 15 minutes early, so we're very productive this morning. We're not late considering nagaling ako ng night shift. I hate rushing kasi sa morning, guys. Rushing in the morning stress me out. And ayoko yun. That's the last thing I want to do. I want to put myself into. Because kapag stress ako, tas pagod, ang end up is nag-aaway kami ni Alba. So, hindi yun yung something na gusto kong mangyari. Do you know what I mean? All the time, ayoko na nag-aaway kami. Ayoko lang. Hindi lang maganda. Hindi maganda sa feeling na pagod ka na, galit ka pa. Diba? Sino may gusto nun, guys? So, anyway.
I'm gonna watch.
We're here and we're just waiting, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna miss this cute boy. You gonna miss Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, does the miss the bell again?
Not yet. The bell's not rung yet. Say Mama. May kamot siya dito, guys. May kamot siya.
How can I stuck it on there?
I don't know. It's bad hungry. And I need to eat before going to bed, or else I'll be waking up about 12 or 1 and then I can't get back to sleep. And then I'll be tired before I pick up Alba. Normally, ganun yung nangyayari. So hopefully, we get a good sleep today. And get it done and over with. Like my last night shift tonight. And I'm back on day shift on Wednesday, Thursday, and then night shift again on Friday. Grabe, I think workaholic si ate mo, girl. Ano yan? May pinag-iipunan. Ano ba? Yun.
Mama, I'm gonna say bye.
Yes, we're gonna say bye soon, yeah. Guys, I will love you and leave you. And I will catch up with you guys later. If I get time to update you or take the camera out before I go to bed, then I will do. But other than that, we're cool. Right? Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Say like and subscribe.
Guys, bye.
Anong gagawin sa bugis?
So wipe.
Wipe. Where do you get wipe? Saan na kuha ng wipe?
From the cloth.
Where's the cloth? Saan ang cloth?
There.
Saan ang cloth?
There.
In the nursery bag. And, or the tissue from the nursery, yeah?
My nursery bag.
Yes, there's a cloth in the nursery bag. And also a cloth, a tissue in?
A tissue.
In the nursery.
And,
anong gagawin sa nursery?
eat, play.
Eat, play, be nice to the boys and girls.
Why? Why did you say that all day?
We're going. Halika na.
Okay.
Bigay mo ng cellphone ni Mama.
Bye-bye, cell phone, you man. Bye, guys.
Intindihan mo si Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Nasi, Mom. Sana pa.
Kauwi na. Kauwi na, guys. So, meron akong ayuda galing kay Mami. So, wipes. Buksan natin. Bean bag. Which is, to be fair, mahal yung mga ganyan, guys, ha. So, more wipes for Alba. Snack ni Alba. Wow! Ito galing to kay... Oh, very nice. Pusit. Oh. And, oh wow, ang sarap. Hindi ko alam na nadala na pala ito. Tuyo and pusit. Thank you. Galing to kay Kuya Sweetie and kay Ate Lady. So, gagaling lang ng Pinas. Oh, thank you guys. Pa. Ah, mali. Uy, sarap. Dami nating ayuda, ha? BioFlu. BioFlu. Effective to, guys. Kasi dito walang mga ganyan. So, dito, bahala ka na lang mangisay. Chares. Ay, grabe. Ang sweet ni ate. Oy, sinulog Cebu. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ako. Ay! Wow! Ako guys ng para sa sipon ni Alba. Kasi katulad niyan, sinisipon during winter times lang naman guys. Mostly malamig kasi, tapos init, lamig. So anyway, nila niya ako ng Dysodrine, nasal congestant and antihistamine. So, which is good from 2 to 6 years old, 2.5 ml. Kasi nung nasa Pinas kami guys, nag-work to kay Alba. Super nag-work. Nung pa-start yung sipon niya, ay, bongga. Yan agad ang inano ko. And more Newsep. Grabe. Ate. Ay. Grabe ko. Uy. Iced tea. Grabe. Ang daming iced tea. Thank you. Nakakahiya. Ang dami niya pa sa lutong, guys. And, bongga si ate. Sinigang mix. Na original. Sakto. Wala na akong sinigang mix. Grabe! So, very nice. I'm so excited to eat the tuyo. Grabe. Yung tuyo, ang tagal ko nang walang tuyo. Siguro, kailan pa ba? Basta matagal na. Wala na akong tuyo. Ubus na. And, guys, yung tuyo, yun ang perfect favorite ko. Kahit pakain mo siya sa akin every morning, walang problema. And with sinangag and itlog. So, anyway, I'm going to eat breakfast. So, nag-init lang ako ng tinapa, guys. And with sausawan bagoong. And then, ayun lang. Manonood ako sandali. Anong oras na ba? Past 9 o'clock na, guys. Kasi nakapaghatid na ako sa bata. So, anong oras na? 9:30 na ng umaga. So, nakauwi ako mga 7:45. 9:30 na. So, 2 hours later, I'm still here. Alive. Awake. Pa, guys. 1. And then, mainit na ba yung kanin ko? Kalimutan ko. 2 tinapa. Kasi wala akong talong, guys. Gusto ko sana may talong. Kaso wala eh. Anyway, let's lamon. Hindi to kain. Lamon to. Hey, super thank you. Thank you, ate. Super happy ako talaga sa tuyo ko, guys. And sa iced tea ko. And sa mga gamot ko. Super happy me. Anyway, I'm gonna eat and go to bed. So, I'll see you guys later. Hello, everyone. Anong oras? Nakagigising ko lang. And I'm here in Alba's nursery na. So, this is 2:47 na ng hapon. Sleep-wise, I didn't get a good sleep, if I'm being honest. Ay, ang hirap pag night shift. Kasi feeling ko every time, I feel like every day na night shift ako. Pahirap yung pagtulog ko sa umaga, sa daytime. I feel like I'm awake every hour. Pero, nakakabalik naman ako sa tulog. Pero hindi na siya ganun ka-deep sleep. Siguro for the first from, anong oras ba? 9:30, siguro mga 10, 11, 12, 12:30. Yun, deep sleep ako for 2.5 hours. Pero pagdating ng past 11:30 na ng tanghali, wala na, every hour na akong gising. So hanggang nagsundo na ako 2:30. Gumising na ako ng 2:30. Nag-get ready na to leave. So anyway, I'm so tired. Feeling ko mamaya, pagka-uwi and before ako mag-work, doon ako, feeling ko ready na ako mag-bed, ganun. Ay, nako, ang hirap. So, it's my last night tonight, and then I'm day shift. So, hopefully, day shift is better. Kasi, although I hate waking up early in the morning, I do it anyway. Because 7 o'clock, I need to wake up to get ready for Alba's nursery. So, Wednesday and Thursday, I'll be waking up maybe mga 4:30 and then get ready and leave the house.
Come on, pal. If you start crying, I'm gonna cry, and I'll never get through this. I'm sorry I wasn't there for you, but I am now. Besides, I am bearing my soul here. The least you can do is pay attention.
Ano? Mukhang tao pa ba tayo? I feel like hindi na tayo mukhang tao. Ang hair is super messy. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys yung itsura ko, ha? Kaya na lang mag-adjust sa itsura ko. Lasagna, beef lasagna, and garlic bread. That's what we're gonna have for dinner. So, it's in the making. It's in the making. Niluluto ko kasi nasa oven siya. I don't know if you can see, guys. Wait. Yeah, nandun siya sa oven. So, yes, ayun, luto. And, I'm gonna get ready for work. So, ang bilis ng oras, diba? And, I'm like so excited to just get this done and over with, guys. You know? Alam mo, pag nakatingin ako sa camera, itsura ko okay. Pag nakita ko na sa edit, ang ano na, ang tsaka na. Tsaka. Sino daw si tsaka? Anyway, I'm gonna go and get the food ready, guys. Okay. Garlic bread, guys. Yan, natira namin kagabi. Kasi kagabi kumain na si Alba ng isang slice. Hala ka siya mag-garlic. Yan itsura niya, guys. And then you oven them.
When you start work, because when I was killing because Dada put the ha. Can you do
Okay, so 13 minutes daw.
Mama?
So,
Why you do ha? Why you put that
I don't know what ha. It's only Dada that knows the ha.
But I don't know.
Right, we're gonna ask Dada. You need to wait. Dada's coming home now. We need to ask Dada. I'm gonna ask him what is the ha.
What's going on? Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
And guys, this is Alba's dinner, lasagna, and then garlic bread. Ako, I'm having rice with some barbecue na leftover pa din. Hello. I'm here na guys at work sa parking. And yes, waiting lang to start. Maaga pa, which is only 6:40 ng gabi. So, 7 ang start ko. So, may ilang minutes pa tayo. Siguro mga 40, mga 10 minutes before pumasok. So, yes, ang laki ng kagat ko dito, guys. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, oh. Ang laki, grabe. Hindi ko alam, kagabi yan dito sa work. Lumilipad kasi parang lamok kagabi. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung kumagat. Anyway. Pagod ko sa car, look. Oh, I see. Posty? I see. Diba? So, inaantay ko ma-defrost kasi hindi ako maka-office sa car. Here na. Sorry sa araw against the light. Ay, wow, sikat na sikat ang araw. Anyway, we're here sa nursery na ni Alba and nag-aantay na lang kami uli. Again, pumasok. Ano ba? Ayun, and I'm so tired na, guys. Pero gutom ako. Gutom.
Mama, will you click the letters?
Give me a... so yeah, anyway, I'll update you guys later when I get home kasi hindi nyo rin ako makita. And hindi ko rin kayo makita, guys. Nakaluto na ako ng tuyo. There. Tuyo and egg with fried rice. So, I'll just eat and go to bed, guys. Because I'm so tired. Literal na zombie ako. Talagang last tulog ko pa yung kahapon. Yung kahapon na natulog ako na parang 2.5 hours solid. Tas every hour gising ako. So, anyway. Bye. See you guys later. Mag-charge muna ang girl ninyo. Hello. Tabingi ba kayo, guys? Kayo na mag-adjust, no? Kung tabingi. Tabingi mo, guys. Tabingi. Ayan, medyo okay. Hello, everyone. So, I'm here na sa car park. Laging sa car park tayo nag-uusap, guys. Dito na, mag-aantay na ako ng oras para sunduin si Alba. I do have my coffee. Kasi after here, I need to get a wee bit of top of groceries, milk, bread. Tomorrow I'm the chef, so I need to organize food for tomorrow and the next day as well. So yun. Coffee muna tayo, energy ng kakaunti. Nakatulog ako ng maayos, guys. As in, alam mo, ayoko pa nga gumising eh. Kaso syempre magsusundo ako. Bala ko sana dumaan na ng grocery bago sana magsundo kay Alba. Kasi ang hirap kasi dalhin ni Alba, guys, pag after nursery. Kasi pagod na siya, nagta-tantrums. And yun yung ina-avoid ko is ma-start yung tantrums. Anyway.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
We are finished with the groceries, guys. Pauwi na kami. So let's drive.
Now I guess I'll never know. All my energy, it's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Hello, guys. So, nakauwi na kami. And, ayun, nakapamili na. So, let's see ano ang nabili natin sa halagang... Magkano binayaran ko? 20 something. I can't remember. Pero let's see. Let's see kung anong nabili natin. Wait lang. Okay, we spent 26 pound, 0.91 pence. Magkano siya sa peso? Times 72 nyo, guys. Bread. Another bread, but this one is brioche bread, so battery and soft. buttery and soft, buttery and sweet. I bought some tender stem broccoli for my pack lunch for work. Some onions. Some egg noodles. Mushroom. Tomatoes. Milk. This is a whole milk, so full fat milk. Chicken drum fillet. Salmon again. And then beef steaks. Chicken skewers with some sweet chili sauce. So dalawa sila for each working day ko, Wednesday and Thursday. Some honey roast ham. Ayan siya. Medyo madami siya. 40 slices, guys. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan is niluluto ko. Normally kasi sila nilalagay na lang nila diretso sa bread. So, ako niluluto ko siya para medyo may hint ng yung tamis niya lumabas, and also para siyang yung version sa Pilipinas ng ham natin. Teriyaki sauce for my noodles. Cabbage, sweetheart cabbage for our nilaga tonight. So, ang ulam natin tonight, nilagang pork ribs. Kasi may pork ribs pa sa fridge na kailangan kong gamitin. So, mag-expired. So, pork ribs nilaga for tonight. And then, magpiprep ako ng food for lunch, for work tomorrow, and breakfast for tomorrow. So, yun ang ipiprep natin. Some lemon para sa sausawan natin, and also garlic granules. Wala na kaming garlic granules. Ang sarap tignan, guys. Broccoli, mushroom, onions, beef, and noodles. Yummy! Ay, buhay pa ba? Tapos na ako magluto, guys. Naghuhugas na lang ako. Linis ng kitchen bago kumain. And, ayun na. Naglaban na din ako ng bacon, guys. So, anong oras na ba? Ulam pala. Siguro mga past 5 o'clock na. Alba, where's Mama's phone? Konti na lang to, guys. Nahugasan ko na kasi yung iba kanina habang nagluluto ako. Pakita ko sa inyo yung naluto natin for pack lunch tomorrow. Sarap niya, guys. Teriyaki ang flavor. Teriyaki sauce ang flavor. It's the vlog here, guys. And I will see you guys on the weekend.